In this video, we're taking you on a room tour of the Panoramic Ocean View Suite. We are in room number 1804 on Royal Caribbean Voyager of the Seas. 25 days cruise from Brisbane, Australia to Seattle. Ready? Let's check out the room. This is my favorite place and the highlight of this room, the Panoramic Ocean View. Check out this view, guys. There is one big window stretching from one side to the other, and we are on deck 12 here, right in front of the ship. As you can see, there is a few staterooms below. On top there is only the sun deck. So this is a very quiet location on the ship. No bars, no restaurants or cafes around. This is the sitting area, 2 chairs, 1 table and a sofa bed. So this room can sleep up to 6 people. There is also a desk in here with some drawers and a coffee machine. Over here you will have a TV that you can turn around to the other side, where you have a king-size bed and a wardrobe. There is quite some space here if you want to work out or just for the kids to play. Right, let's head on over to the bathroom, the toilet and the kids' room. The toilet is right in here. And we have the main bathroom with a shower, a second toilet which comes in handy, and some storage on the side. Behind me is the kids' room, so it's got a curtain here. You won't find any light switch on the outside, but there is lights inside. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.